How to connect to gateway devices. There are 3 different methods to connect to gateway devices. Method 1. Wi-Fi AP mode. In this method, communication is established between a client, computer, and a gateway. The second method involves local Wi-Fi networks. In this method, the connection between clients and gateways is established via a Wi-Fi router. In the third method, communication between the client and the gateway is provided through Ethernet. To connect using Wi-Fi AP mode, first ensure that the device is plugged in and powered on. Then, check if the Wi-Fi connection option is operational. If it's not working, press and hold the B button for 5 seconds. The device will activate Wi-Fi AP mode and wait for the user to connect. When the device's Wi-Fi AP mode is active, view available networks on your computer. Among the wireless networks, you will see the device's SSID, such as OLIPTEK_device ID or ParkSetup_device ID. Select this network and click on Connect. The default AP Mode SSID passwords are as follows. For Gateway 300A, ODX 400 Pro, and ODX 400, OLIPTEK 123. For ZCU100 M and CCU100 M, ParkSetup 123. After entering the password, ensure that the Wi-Fi connection is successfully established. If connected, it will appear as follows on the gateway and your computer. Open a web browser such as Chrome, Opera, or Safari and type http://192.168.4.1 into the address bar. Then you will see the login page. The default login password is 1234. Method 2. Local Wi-Fi networks. For this method, you need to have completed the AP mode connection. After completing the AP mode connection and successfully logging into the interface, click on the connection button on the home page. Then, click on the Connect to Wi-Fi button. At this stage, the device will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Click on your SSID button and enter your password. To use static IP configuration, enter the preferred IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway information in this field. Then, click on the Connect button. The device will restart in the meantime. Wait approximately 10 to 20 seconds to connect to the local Wi-Fi network. Successfully established connections will appear on the device as follows. When you connect the device to the local Wi-Fi network, unless actions such as resetting to factory settings, manually disconnecting the device's connection from the connection page, clearing Wi-Fi credentials by holding the A button for 5 seconds, or turning off the device's Wi-Fi by holding the B button for 5 seconds are taken by the user, the device will always remain connected to your local Wi-Fi network. For the last method, which involves Ethernet setup and connection, connect both the gateway and your computer to the same network using an Ethernet cable. The lights on the device's Ethernet port should be illuminated. The green light flashes intermittently, while the orange light remains steady. On your computer, go to Control Panel Network and Internet greater than, then navigate to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the Ethernet adapter icon. Click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 option. Click on Properties. Choose Use the following IP address option. Assign the correct network settings as seen on the screen. After completing the AP mode connection and successfully logging into the interface, click on the Connection button on the home page. In the Ethernet section of the connection page, in the static IP configuration, enter your preferred IP address. For example, enter 192.168.8.13 as the IP address. Write down the subnet mask. Specify the default gateway. Provide the DNS address. Leave all the boxes empty for dynamic DHCP IP configuration. Then press the Set Static IP button. Perform this operation by incrementing the IP address of each gateway to work on the same network. Ensure that the Wi-Fi connection is successfully established. The connection status should be visible on the gateway's screen. Additionally, the Ethernet IP should also be visible on the settings page. Type http://192.168.8.13 into your web browser like Chrome, Opera, or Safari. The browser will display the login page. The default login password is 1234.